Hey guys, NASCAR Racing 18 here. We have some NASCAR Authentics. We have from the 2019 Wave 3 of the NASCAR 187 Mystery Pack. We have 5 packs from Wave 3. And then we got Stenhouse, Elliott, Keselowski, and 2 Blaney's. Let's figure out who are in these packs now. Let's get the first pack done. So let's see. We have another Chase Elliott Napa 9 car. We got one of our last 187 packs. We got the second pack open, and it is Chase Elliott again, but this time in his 8 Aftershock car Xfinity Series. Next pack. Get the pack open, and it's gonna be another Chase Elliott 9 car. Let's take a look at this other pack here. Let's hope it's not another Chase Elliott. And it is going to be another Chase Elliott 8 car. Wow. The last pack, let's hope it's a good one. And it is another Chase Elliott 9 car. Okay, this just got weird. We got 5 packs, and we have a new one, and we have multiple Chase Elliott's again. Wow. That is shocking. So the 187 cars are smaller, with the black as well. On the pack, you can get Kyle Busch's or Jeffrey Earnhardt's IK9 car, Matt DiBenedetto's, Kevin Harvick, Eric Jones, Kyle Larson, or should I say now? No, Kyle Larson, yeah. And I guess that's about it. Well, guys, thanks for watching this episode, and more will be out soon. Thanks for watching.